Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can grade your photos like this one here. Yes, so let's just get to it without wasting your time. So first off, you go to Playstore and then you search for Grade Maker. Yeah, I've already searched for it, so it's here, Grade Maker, and then you tap on Drawing Grade Maker and then you install it. But before that or after that, you can download this useful app that I also use. That is crop image, crop photo or crop image, for cropping your photos before you start drawing. And yeah, this one, crop image, you install that one too. And then before you grade your photo, you need to crop it so that it suits the size of your paper that you want to draw on. So you open this and you select an image. So I'm going to use this one for cropping. What you're going to do is you click on the right top and then you click on custom. Let's say your paper size is A3, that will be 16 by 12 inches. So you click on custom and then yes, 12 by 16. You set it and then you adjust it. You can adjust it this way, or you can just click here and adjust it, yes, anyhow you want it. And then you click on save. It will save. Okay, and then after you saved it, now you have an image which is an A3 size, 12 by 16. So you go to Drawing Grade Image, Drawing Grade Maker, and then you click on the right top corner here, and then crop image. The file is saved, so crop image, you click on it. Now what you're going to do is you click here, and then you have some Gridlines on top of it already, but you don't need that one. So you're going to click on the vertical ones. The vertical lines are going to be 16 lines. Type 16, you click OK, and you come to the horizontal lines. That will be 12. Sorry, 12. Oh. Yes, 12 inches. Now you have your boxes. Now you can change the color of the lines anyhow you want it by clicking right top corner here, and then you can have a white color, which is cool, or any color you want. I'll just use the black one. Yeah, and you see the lines are very big. It fills up the space of the face, so you need to click on that line here, yellowish line here, and then you select one. That will make your line thinner. Yeah, now your lines are thinner. You have 16 boxes going horizontal and 12 going vertical. Yeah, you're done now, and then you click on save. Yeah, okay, so you go to your gallery and then you check whether it's saved. So I'm going to check on gallery right now. Yeah, it's saved. Alright, thanks for watching.